How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I just got my Chase Freedom Unlimited card today in the mail, so we're going to be going over all of its features, who this card is good for, and if you should get this card. Let's go. All right, so for those of you that don't know what the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is, I'm gonna give you a really brief overview right now. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is one of Chase's kind of entry-level cards, kind of intermediate cards, but it is a card that gets you 1.5% cash back on all your purchases, unlimited throughout the entire year, hence the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This means that on every single purchase you make, whether it be at a restaurant, gas station, or even a sporting event, you'll get 1.5% your cash back. So this cash back they're talking about when they're saying you're getting 1.5% cash back is actually 1.5 times Chase Ultimate Reward points on all purchases you make. So say you make a $5 purchase at a coffee shop, you'll actually be getting 7.5 points for that purchase. So these points can actually be redeemed as cash back at 1 cent per point. So you are getting that full 1.5% cash back as they do state. But the big plus of this card is that for all the points that you earn on this card, you can actually transfer them to your Chase Sapphire cards to earn travel rewards if you do have the Chase Sapphire cards. And just as a quick reminder, I'll have a link down below in the description for you to actually get a referral code to get a free $150 when you sign up for this card using the link. So before I actually go into who the Chase Freedom Unlimited is for and if you should get this card, we're gonna do a little unboxing or unenveloping of the card that I got today. All right, so here is the envelope I got in the mail today. This should have my Chase Freedom Unlimited in it. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. All right, so this is the first thing I see when I open the envelope, and you can see your Chase Freedom Unlimited card is here, and it gives me my credit access line. So this credit card, I have a $13,800 credit line on this card, and my cash access line is $2,760. All right, so you can see the Chase Freedom Unlimited card here. We have the nice contactless symbol right there, if you can see it. That means all you have to do when you're going to check out somewhere is go tap it if it has the little logo, and it'll pay. No need to swipe, no need to put in any pins or anything like that, which is really cool. It is a nice looking card. It's not as flimsy as some other plastic cards, but it's definitely not gonna feel as heavy as one of your metal cards that you might have. The intro APR is actually 0% for the first 15 billing cycles, but I do not care about that. As I always say, you never should keep balances on your credit cards. Pay them off in full every month. And then after that, obviously, there's going to be a very high APR rate of 22.24%. So we can see that the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. You can redeem it for cash back at any time, anywhere. And what is also good about this Chase Freedom Unlimited card is that you can actually use these points for your Chase Sapphire cards. So instead of 1.5% cash back that it says you'll be getting, you'll actually be getting 1.5 times the points on any purchase you make, which is really nice because then you can use this Chase Freedom Unlimited card for anything, then transfer all of those points over to the Chase Sapphire cards and use them to redeem for travel and stuff like that. All right, and you can see welcome to unlimited cash back right there. Earn unlimited 1.5 cash back. As I said before, that is a great perk to have for everyday spending if you don't have any other cards. No annual fee, which is very nice. Ways to earn cash back. You can actually add more users, add authorized users to this account. And you can also shop through Chase. So Chase has partners where you can go on and actually shop online, and you'll get a percentage of your cash back through certain places. So say you go retail shopping at, say, Target, and Target has a deal with Chase for 5% cash back. You can actually go online and see what that is and click the link to be able to shop for extra cash back, which is pretty cool. There's also some protections that this card gives you: zero liability protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty protection. Feel free to pause on either of those if you want to read them. Also, there's auto rental collision damage waivers and 24/7 fraud monitoring, which is always good in this day and age of people hacking into things, stealing information, and things of that nature. Another good thing Chase provides is a way to see your credit score, so you can actually go on the Chase app or their website and look at your credit score from their point of view. All right, so in my opinion, this card is good for a few different types of people. First, you definitely should get this card if you're trying to go for that Chase Trifecta. I'll put a link to my previous videos above, but basically the Chase Trifecta is 3 cards from Chase that you can get to maximize your rewards. Each one of the cards you'll use for different purchases. So like, for example, you would use a Chase Sapphire card for restaurants and travel, Chase Freedom Unlimited for all your purchases, and then Chase Freedom for their rotating categories every quarter that they have. The second type of person I think that should get the Chase Freedom Unlimited is someone that maybe has only had one credit card so far. They've built up decent credit, but they want to get another card that gives them a little bit more rewards. This is a great card, and it's a super simple card because it does get you those 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. Now, these are the following people I think should not get this card. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited is kind of a beginner to intermediate level card. If you're already established in the credit card game and you know you don't want the Chase Trifecta, I don't think this card is right for you. There's really no benefit to getting the card. I also don't think this is good for someone that only wants to have one credit card and use one credit card. As I said, this card gets you 1.5% cash back, which is really good, but if you're only using one card, there are a few other cards that actually get you 2% cash back, one of which being the Citi Double Cash card. It'll get you 1% when you purchase and then 1% when you pay the bill. So in theory, you should be paying your bills off every month in full. So you'll be getting that full 2% cash back every month. So that card in this case would be better than the Chase Freedom Unlimited. All right, so just as a quick reminder, if you haven't seen my Chase Trifecta videos yet, I recommend going to watch those. It's really insightful to see how you can actually maximize your Chase points for a bunch of free travel. This year, I'm already about to get $500 to $600 in free travel rewards back, and I'm gonna use that to book flights. If you enjoyed this video and have seen a few of my other videos and enjoy them, please go down and hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did enjoy it. It helps the video get out to more people on YouTube. Make sure to comment down below also for things you might have questions about or for future video ideas you guys might want me to do. All right, that's it for the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Have a good one, everybody.